for everyone to see? Can we have the picture again? Gano'ng kalaki po yung inyong property dito? Tama po ba? That's like a little massage house in the middle of the lake behind the bigger mansion proper. Tama po ba, Miss Ong?
Lahat po yan, bahay po. Wala pong massage.
Wala massage. Yung gitna. So
Yes
lahat
po.
yan bahay. So yung gitna.
Opo.
So gano'ng kalaki po itong property nyo?
Yung lot po is around 3 hectares po.
3 hectares yung lot. And
Yes
all
po.
of this at the tender age of 24. Would you care to substantiate how you made your money out of this? Lahat po yan na-inherit po ba, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, I invoke my right.
You
po.
invoke your right.
Pasensya na po
Of course.
kasi meron pong kinasa sa akin.
Kasi nga po, kahit yung reasoning na binigay mo last time na 35 million per month, hindi rin yun tama eh. Kasi at 35 billion per month na you would make out of the 70,000 hectares that you were renting out, that's only still just 35 million, which wouldn't account for the billions of worth. Sabi niyo po, wala po kayong inutang to make yung phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, not including itong mansion po ninyo. Because the truth of the matter is, based on the reports, if we're to believe, this is actually bahay ni Mr. Duan Renwu. Hindi naman po ito sa'yo. You're going to invoke your right or you're going to deny it, that's fine, Ms. Ong. But I'm just presenting it for the facts that the unbelievable story of rags to riches at 24 through inheritance from your mom, based on nothing more than the right connections at the right time, parang sobrang unbelievable po. We are more inclined to believe these parallel operations in which at the center is Duan Renwu and everyone else going up. So with that, Mr. Chair, I'll conclude na po yung kay Ms. Ong and kay Ms. Guo. I'd like to go on po as we go up with the ladder kay Mr. Yang. Thank you, Committee Secretary, for the picture.
Yes. Mr. Chair, I just have a question, just out of curiosity, if I may.
With the indulgence of Congressman
with the indulgence of Congressman Gutierrez. Comsec, pwede mo ba maibalik ulit yung bahay ni Ms. Kasing? Ms. Cassie, pwede niyo po bang sabihin niyo kung tama po yung pagkaunawa ko dito sa litrato? So meron pong lake at yung bahay po ninyo ay yung nasa gitna. Tama po ba yun? Can you go back? Hindi, yung bahay po, yung bahay, Comsec. Yung bahay, Comsec.
Prior picture, please.
Yan. Yeah. Excuse me. Yes?
Yes po. Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So yung bahay po, ano po yung nasa gitna ng lake?
Bahay po.
Tapos ito pong nandito sa may bandang baba.
Bahay din po, Mr. Chair.
Oh, so you have a house within a house? At tapos yung nandun po sa ibabaw niya na parang kulay puti na I don't know how you describe it. Parang ano ba yan? Is that also a body of water?
Garden po yan, Mr. Chair.
Garden. Okay. Yeah, itong lake po ito is man-made or natural?
Can I consult my lawyer po?
No, I mean, it's actually, whether it's,
Man Lake po, Mr. Chair.
huh?
Man Lake po.
Man-made. Man-made. Gano'ng kalalim po yung lake?
Hindi ko po sure, Mr. Chair.
Thank you very much. I'm just trying to figure out kasi yung figures na binanggit ni Kong Rods. At I'm medyo kinakwenta ko po kung magkano aabutin to kasi kung man-made po yan, Chairman, at saka kung gaano kalalim at yung lawak, tapos nice to live there. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
Okay, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, and I agree with the good Deputy Speaker. Kaya nga po yung punto na natin doon. Yung 35 million nga, kulang na po yun for phase 1, 2, and 3 of Whirlwind. Paano pa kaya yung 3-hectare lot with mansion na pinakita po natin? But anyway, the bright side to this, with the efforts of the Quadcom, I believe the proper cases have been filed against the parties. So we can leave po yung parallel operations on the ground. Doon na lang po yun. We leave it to our good partners in service executive branch. But yeah, moving on, Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask now si Mr. Tony Yang. So, Mr. Yang, magandang gabi po. Mr. Yang, kayo po ay nakakapagsalita ng Tagalog, English?
Kunti.
konti.
Kunti marunong.
Konti marunong. Pero conversational. Halimbawa, pag may mga events po kayo, you can have conversation, pwede po kayong makipag-usap sa mga tao. Pag may dinner, mga ganon. Hindi po
I
talaga.
think it's better you using English. Yeah, it's better.
Better using
Yeah,
English.
yeah,
Okay.
better is-
Mr. Yang, good evening. So you can speak better in English. Are you able to have a casual conversation in English?
No, actually, I am the interpreters. Mr.
You're the
Yang.
interpreter
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah.
But
Maybe
my
it's
question stands. Is he able to have a casual conversation in English, Mr. Chair?
就是你说的东西，就是可以回答用英文回答吗？
我不会不懂的。
No casual conversation. Mr. Chair, can we, through the Secretariat, can we have my next 3 photos, please?
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair. Point of inquiry lang, Mr. Chair. Would it be possible to ask the translator to speak into the mic when he tries to translate to Mr. Yang so that we can also hear?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The first photo, please. Yung una. Is that the first? Okay. Mr. Yang, through the Honorable Chairman, is that you in the picture?
就是他问你在图片里面那个是不是你？是不是啊？对。Yeah, it's he.
It is. Do you recall Do you recall what event was transpiring here?
就是他问你在这里是举行的什么活动，还是就是干嘛的？
当时那个三家钢铁厂给 BBD 里面签那个租那个地，租地的
OK
签。
Okay, okay. Okay, I think it's during some rentals for the place. Yep.
I'm sorry again, Mr. Chair.
开发区吧，经济开发区 BBD
It's for rentals for the DPTs. The ones is using DPTs.
就是开发区吧，开发区，经济开发区，
经济开发区。
要经济开发区。
Mr. Chairman, point of clarification lang, Mr. Chairman.
With the indulgence of Congressman Gutierrez.
Yeah, with the
what is
indulgence
the-
of Congressman Raj. I believe the translator is the son of Michael Yang. Are you the son of Michael? Oh, of Tony Yang?
No.
You're not the
Actually,
son.
no. I come from Pao.
What is your? You're from Pao.
Yeah.
So you're the translator of the Pao,
Of Pao, yeah.
not of Tony Yang.
Yeah, it's
Sige,
not
you
from
can
Tony.
proceed. Thank you so much.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Chair Dan. Can we proceed? So can we have a clarification? What was the event?
Okay. Which one? This one?
Yeah, that event.
Okay. Actually, I think how do we process? Like, maybe he will rent us the place, and then for
He was
the
renting a
size-
place.
Yeah.
So is it right to say this was a signing of a memorandum of agreement?
Yep.
How can we
that's
ask him? Is this the signing of a memorandum of agreement with Fividec?
对对对，就租
That's right.
租地。
He's